Welcome to Purchase Reviews. Today I'll be upgrading my Fender Telecaster with Guyker inline locking tuners. If you want easier string changes and better tuning stability, then this might be a great and affordable upgrade for you. Before we start, here's what you'll need. A 10mm spanner or socket for removing the posts and then tightening in the new hex bushings. And a set of strings, I like these ones. And that's it. Inline locking tuners are the simplest and easiest to upgrade. Loosen and remove all your guitar strings. Now grab the 10mm wrench or socket spanner to unscrew the old tuners from the headstock. Once done, give the headstock a quick wipe down with a wet cloth to remove any debris. Next, take the new inline Guyker locking tuners, line them up with the headstock holes and insert. Make sure that the rounded side of the washer is facing upwards, like this. Now screw in the threaded bushings and use a spanner to tighten. There's no need to use a ruler to line up the tuners because they already have guide pins, so it's just a matter of slotting them in to the pre-existing drill holes. Once you're done, loosen the thumb screws on the back of each locking tuner, turning anti-clockwise. Line up the tuning posts ready to thread your strings through. Pull the strings in tight, then lock the machine heads, winding clockwise. Do the same for the rest of the strings, then trim the excess off. Now it's just a matter of tuning up your strings and you're ready to go. These tuners feel sturdy with a nice chrome and gold finish that matches my Butterscotch Telecaster's look. Their locking mechanisms make the string changes quick and hassle-free, so there's no more having to wind the strings a heap of times around the post. Tuning stability is excellent even after bends and heavy playing. If you want to upgrade your guitar or check out other parts and products, visit Guyker's website. I'll leave some links in the description where you can explore their full range. If you enjoyed this video, consider liking and subscribing for more reviews and how-to videos. Thanks for visiting Purchase Reviews, and until next time, happy tuning.